If you're looking for a quick and easy way to monitor competitor blog activity with alerts, you're in the right place. In this 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up these alerts so you can stay ahead of the game. Whether you're tracking content, spotting trends, or analyzing what your competitors are up to, setting up the right alerts is key. First, you'll want to use a tool like Google Alerts. This is a simple and effective tool that notifies you whenever a new post related to your chosen keywords or domain is published. Go to google.com/alerts and type in the keywords or blog URLs related to your competitors. You can set the frequency of the alerts so you only get the notifications when new content drops, whether it's once a day, once a week, or as soon as it's posted. Now, if you want to be more specific and avoid any irrelevant alerts, you can use advanced search operators in Google Alerts. For example, if you want to monitor a specific competitor's blog, just type in site.competitorblog.com followed by your keywords. This ensures you're only alerted to content from that specific site. But Google Alerts isn't the only tool you can use. If you're looking for more in-depth monitoring, I recommend tools like BuzzSumo or Mention. These platforms let you track not just blog posts, but also social media mentions and online conversations about your competitors. Mention is great for real-time monitoring, while BuzzSumo offers deep insights into which content is performing well across different platforms. You'll also want to set up content monitoring in your RSS reader. If your competitors regularly update their blogs, subscribing to their RSS feed can be a quick way to get new content delivered directly to your inbox. This is a great option if you want to be even more hands-on with monitoring, as you can check their latest posts whenever they go live. Now, here's a secret tip. Use an all-in-one tool like SEMrush or Ahrefs to keep track of the SEO performance of your competitors' blogs. These tools allow you to monitor keyword rankings, traffic trends, and backlinks, giving you a fuller picture of your competitors' digital activity. And the best part, you can set up alerts for specific keywords or competitor domains to get notified when there's a significant change. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? To effectively monitor competitor blog activity with alerts, you should leverage tools like Google Alerts, BuzzSumo, Mention, and even advanced RSS feeds. Each of these tools allows you to track specific content and gain insights into what your competitors are doing online. And don't forget, the free trial I've got for you in the description below is exclusive to my viewers. This is your chance to dive into the tools I recommend, set up your alerts, and monitor your competitors more effectively than ever before. To quickly recap, start with Google Alerts for basic monitoring, use tools like BuzzSumo or Mention for in-depth insights, and consider SEMrush or Ahrefs for SEO tracking. Set up these alerts, stay ahead of the competition, and you'll be on your way to smarter digital strategy. Thanks for watching.